Sikat window. What have you been doing in your life? Oh, introduce me. Fuck you. Yeah. What's your name? I don't know. Oh my God, you know provider. Okay. How old are you? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I'm scared. Okay. But do you think she have to do the cantina lang song? Oh, you got to sound like this. Yeah. This is the clapping hands move. Clapping hands and double time. Yeah, thank you, man. Sober? Yeah, sober.
Gusto na isa sa two.
Woo! Thank you, man. I appreciate you. I really do, man. Love you.
Gusto na isa sa two.